Introducing our hottest new product, Cocina by Princess House Cast Iron Comal. What's a comal, you ask? It's a smooth, flat griddle frequently used in Latin cuisine. Our version is head and shoulders above the rest, offering the perfect marriage of cooking tradition, modern function, premium quality, and timeless beauty. You've heard that chefs love cast iron, and here's why. It's amazingly durable and can withstand high heat for longer periods, even when it's empty. That makes it the best tool for certain cooking tasks. Let's start with a mouth-watering steak. Our Comal's ability to produce the perfect sear is unmatched. And that's just the beginning, because our Comal is oven-safe too. After searing, simply pop it in the oven to flawlessly finish your 5-star filet. Learning to eat healthier? Of course you are. Our Comal is perfect for dry heat cooking. You can make amazing roast veggies and cook homemade tortillas without adding a drop of fat or oil. And don't hesitate to use it on the grill. It can take the heat. Even the most tender fillets are grilled to perfection without sticking. Our gorgeous Comal is the supermodel of cookware pieces. Its beautiful exterior of rich red porcelain enamel is complemented by elegant stainless steel accents. This beauty is built to last, too. It's incredibly durable. There's no need to slave over a hot oven seasoning your Comal. Unlike raw cast iron, our cooking surface is maintenance-free. The matte black porcelain enamel never needs seasoning and offers easy release performance that improves with every use. You heard right, it improves with use. Over time, a desirable patina will develop within the cooking surface. The patina is a product of all the meals you prepare in the Comal and is said to enhance the taste of your food with a flavor that's uniquely yours.